Hi, this is David Quatella, Branding and Marketing Manager with Siemens, and I'm here today with Joe Rogers, who is our Marketing Manager for the Class 82 Slimline Pump Panel. How you doing, Joe?
Fantastic, thanks.
Great. I'm going to ask a few questions of you for the audience in regards to the pump panel. First one being, the Class 82 pump panel is specifically designed for the agricultural market. Can you explain what makes the design of this pump panel so specific for that market?
Sure. When we talk about the agricultural market, we're talking about applications like crop irrigation, sprinklers, misters, and soakers, watering for livestock and dairy applications, but even dewatering, ground dewatering for excavation and construction sites. All of these are outdoor applications in potentially extreme environments. So one of the main things is that we've fabricated this unit out of galvanized steel for superior corrosion resistance.
No, that's good to know. I can also see that the pump panel that you brought here is quite compact, which I would imagine makes it easy to mount. Is that true?
Absolutely. It's less than half the size of our traditional pump panel, and at 25 pounds, one person can install it, either on a pole with its pole straps or on a flat surface with its keyhole slots.
So, labor savings, right?
Absolutely.
Great. Now I see here you have the drip shield on the enclosure. You also have the visible red switch handle, which makes it visible to those in the field. Can we open up the pump panel and take a look at some of its interior?
Certainly. Let me flip the lockable latches that keep a nice tight seal on the enclosure cover.
Give you a hand here.
Thank you. As you open it, you'll first see that we have a fully gasketed door to prevent the ingress of dust and water.
Sure.
But one of our main focuses was on ease of wiring and so on for the customer. So if you let go of the door, you'll notice it folds out past 180 degrees out of the way of the installer. With our unique enclosure design, there's no sharp edges, which prevents cuts and scrapes of not only conductors, but also installers' hands. And we've even included 2 3-pole terminal strips for field wiring of the power and control circuits. Okay. But we do include very robust components inside. Besides our heavy-duty 30mm pilot devices mounted on the side, we do have a NEMA-rated contactor with touch-safe terminals, and of course our ESP200 solid-state overload relay.
Now the ESP200 is a robust overload relay. What makes it so dynamic for use in the agricultural market with this pump panel?
Great question. First and foremost, we can formal coat the printed circuit board on the inside of the ESP200. That protects it against condensation, high humidity, corrosive environments, and temperature extremes. But beyond that, it's extremely flexible. Okay. The full load dial is adjustable from a 4-to-1 range, covering a wide variety of motor full load currents. Okay. It's got adjustable trip class from 5 to 30, so that there's trouble-free startup in virtually any pumping application. And this device includes phase unbalance, phase loss, and ground fault protection, all is standard.
Wow, that's pretty robust. Now it sounds to me like you have the customer in mind in terms of form and function with the Class 82 pump panel. Can you just summarize a couple key points as to how this differentiates itself from the competition?
Absolutely. I think one of the mains is what we said first, the compact size in a galvanized steel construction for corrosion resistance, and the inclusion of our ESP200 overload that can not only withstand extreme environments, but provides complete protection for their pumping system. And ultimately, Siemens is a recognized leader in the pump control market. It's known for its reliable, durable pump panels, and this Class 82 Slimline pump panel is just a natural expansion of that pump panel family.
So Joe, is it safe to say that Siemens is here to pump you up?
Absolutely.
Great. Thanks again, Joe.
Thank you.